Independence Day in Israel is a very special day, according to one of the greatest Kabbalists of all time, Rav Ashlag, the Baal HaSulam. When they won the war, his students came into the room and told the Rebbe, he said, "We won." And he was instantly flustered. His face became red, and he was filled with this deep aura and spirit. And he said, Beruach HaKodesh, he said, in the Holy Spirit, he said, in absolute communion, adhesion, connection to the Creator. He said, there is a taste of a holiday, a taste of a festival, not a literal festival, but a taste of. Because like Rav Ashlag or Rav Kook of blessed memory, we understand, as those who learn the inner dimensions of the Torah and Kabbalah, that everything is from the Creator, period. And the fact that we are here back in our land is absolutely one of, if not the greatest miracle of all time, that literal prophecy is being actualized. The Creator created this position. No offense, but I will gladly argue to other people within the Jewish community who believe otherwise. I believe it is a denial of the Creator. I believe it's a denial of God to say that we forced ourselves here and it's not His will. I say on the contrary, it is clearly His will that we are here, we continue to be here, and may it be the Creator's will that we can really integrate the inner work of loving each other unconditionally, because certainly there's plenty of strife otherwise, to be able to stay here. Because Rav Ashlag teaches, just because we got here doesn't mean the Creator can't kick us out again. It's true. He can do whatever He wants. He can kick us out again if we're not actually taking full advantage of the miraculous opportunity to be here. So Yom Atzmaut, Atzmaut is independence, freedom. It happens to have the numerical value of Torah. Torah is from the language of Or and Hora'ah, light and the guidance, the guiding light of consciousness. The greatest freedom that anyone can ask for is to be connected to the true tree of life that is the Torah, that allows us to unlock the true independence of our soul, which is unconditionally valuable, perfectly good, eternal, and unconditionally experiencing the purpose of our life in every moment, because the Creator has put us in it. Can't be any other way, including the national fact that here we are. And so on this day, this taste of a festival, we can appreciate the Creator's put us here. We have a relative independence, but we still need the true independence of our soul, and to do the inner work and connect to that place of absolute calm and goodness, and still have an alacrity from there to achieve more and more. An unconditional love with our own brothers and sisters. And so as Rav Kook taught, to spread that love, therefore, to all the nations, all the world, all the peoples as well. Yom Atzmaut Sameach, have a most wonderful Independence Day, and remember what true independence is. We have it in a relative sense, but we're still, in my humble and bitter opinion, far from the true work being fully actualized. May we see peace and love speedily and soon. All the best.